What up, guys? Doing a little bit different video today. I got a cool project. We got a Tesla. Let me turn this around. Model Y. We're gonna go ahead and do just a bigger rock chip on it. It has a dent in it. It's not too bad. Bigger rock chip than we normally would do, but I'm trying to make people happy, so let's check it out. All right, so it has a small dent right here. Popped it out. It's a pretty big rock chip. It's all good though. So let me just walk you through my process and just how I do it. All right, off the bat, we have, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off real quick. Dent's gone, you can see it. This is the actual damage. Pretty big chip. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scuff it. Nothing crazy. I just wanna make it, just give proper adhesion. So let's get this metal, these edges up here, same thing. This is 1200 grit. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lightly hit this. Nothing crazy. Cool. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get some, this is base coat, this is Standox formula. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, I gotta clean it. You can't forget that, you gotta clean it. So I'm gonna clean it with just some wax and grease. This is like your best friend. So really good clean in there. You can actually see that. Big old rock chip. Okay, now it's all clean. We're gonna go ahead and next I'm gonna grab my squeegee, Standox formula. You can use any paint's fine. This is what we shoot here, so we have it on hand. I'm gonna put a bigger glob on there. So a bigger glob. This is a PPF squeegee. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over it and I'm gonna get it in there. So look at that. Look at how clean it is. Really clean. Okay, so let's, I'm gonna let this dry for a minute and then we'll come back. All right, so there it is, it's dry. I'm gonna go clean off my excess. So just clean off the excess, just, be careful. You don't wanna touch where you actually, okay, again, now I'm just gonna add my clear coat, kind of put a lot. I'm just gonna let it just kind of drip over it. Kind of let it just drip. I don't even really need that much. Clean off your excess. Kind of let it just kind of roll over it. If you see, notice that there's a little bubble on there. You don't want that. So make sure you get that bubble out. You don't need that bubble. Just kind of just get these bubbles out. Okay, again, you want to be really careful when you're wiping around these edges. Just be really careful. Just takes a little bit of time. Clean is the possible. If you've ever painted before, oils and everything like that is just bad. So mainly what you want to do is you want to just make sure you have a really clean surface for proper adhesion. Proper adhesion, you just want to make sure it just sticks right. All right, cool. So I got it on there. This isn't going to be an 100% repair. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. This isn't a cure-all. To make it 100%, you're going to have to go to a body shop or spray it. But this is just gonna get PPF'd. This customer's gonna be really happy. Okay, cool. So let me go ahead and let this dry a little bit and then I'll be back. All right, guys, so it's all dry. Using fast curing clear coat. All right, next step, it's all dry. What I do is I have a really firm sanding block. I'm gonna 1200 grit, knock it down. Like I said, this isn't gonna come out 100%. This is gonna be good. I'm not gonna show no tricks, no lie to you and tell you it's 100%. This is gonna be damn good. To make it perfect, you would need to repaint. So this ain't no BS. This is just straight up real work. Really hard, firm block. This is actually a squeegee from Fusion Tools. These work really well. I like them because they're really hard. And right here, everything I'm doing is gonna be dry. I'm not gonna really, I guess I can go ahead and use some water. So firm 1200, I'm gonna go ahead and just massage this down. Go ahead and massage it down, 1200 grit. Then I'm gonna switch. Next, I'm gonna go ahead, after it's smoothed out, I'm gonna feather it out. Now I'm gonna go to my 3000. And I'm gonna use a red stick. Just keep it really isolated. You can go ahead and see that. Okay, 3,000. Let's go ahead and grab some water. Just a little bit of water, not really much. Just get that a little bit smoother. Sweet, go ahead and look at it now. That's just how it's gonna look. Now let's polish it. I'm actually gonna use some Koch Chemie H9, and I'm gonna use my Bigfoot, it's cordless. Just get some compound on there. So anytime you're polishing these edges, you kind of want to just go light, and then you want it to feather out. If you notice, my spot was a lot bigger than it was, or than the actual damage. Okay, there you get it. Not 100%, because it was so big, it should be painted. You want it, you can build it up, you know, from a distance. That's some decent for a big chip. I'm gonna go ahead and polish a little bit more, maybe sand it a little bit more. That you can see is that was like a dime. That's like a dime size. It's bigger than my finger, that rock chip. But most people are gonna be stoked, and when we put PPF over that, 90% of people aren't gonna see it. But anyways, you already know what it is, J&G. So good, look, came out dope. Born Detailer, full effect, we got it out. Bam, peace.